First meal of the cruise, so yeah, we got some curry chicken, some roasted pork, some tandoori chicken, barbecue chicken, corn, almost had an accident there, a chicken and seafood paella. They finally arrived with a little charred tomato on there. I've got this fruit slash yogurt thing going on here, and then over here we've got sort of a parfait with a whole bunch of granola and stuff and fruit and stuff like that, a bunch of juice and all that. Oh, you're smiling now. All right. At the basketball court, rock climbing. Table tennis, I haven't seen that in a minute, boy. Looking for the floor rider. Found it. Oh, look at the tube thing, water slide. Yeah. What's the old boy showing off now? He's gonna fall. Come on, buddy. Come on, don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on, wipe out the plate. He's not doing it. Alright. His pants towel fell off. You know, if you're looking for me to jam back here laughing. Alright, we got a drill going on. Let's see. Come on, girlfriend. You gotta show up on those boys. I think she's gonna wipe out first thing. He's going down. Come on. Oh, look at her. Come on, old man. Move from in front. Come to the door. Look at the legs are trembling. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see how grandpa handles it. Imagine put all of them the same. That'd be fun. Final day in sea day, so it means all the activities are going to be on board now. Top main pool deck here. Everybody getting into the whole vacation mode, last lap. One more day and tomorrow they're back to reality. Beautiful sunny day too. So the first one's here, Jamie Oliver's. I'll just jump in after. My second dinner I'm hosting tonight, so this table here, as well as the other table here, will be the guest. Beautiful view of the ocean. Smells like garlic in here, man. Starting off with the crispy calamari. We've got some garlic right over here. Calamari could have been a bit warm though. It's cool. Tell me, you know, bruschetta. So we've got a crab bruschetta over here.
So it's got in.
Give them.
Impressive actually.
Friola, this is made from the whole leg of the pig. This is aged for 12 months. We have the mozzarella di pistachio from Bologna. This is made from the belly of the pig. This is boiled. Everything else is cured over here. Fennel salami and scacciata picante. The scacciata picante is a little bit spicy. Fennel salami is from Chianti, scacciata picante from Calabria. So as you can see, we collect all the nice stuff from all around Italy. Bocconcini mozzarella. Bocconcini mozzarella with some tomato paste on the top, basil leaves on the bottom. Changes.
So yeah, got the bolognese. Hit me a light dinner. We have like more people, so we got the bolognese going on here.
Oh, which one is this?
And I'm gonna jump over it. Be a little of Ashaki's salmon with this sort of seafood sauce on the bottom. There's some shrimp as well, right? Looking proper. Yeah. I did, yeah. And these are the lamb chops here.
You can make a mistake on social media. I'm that type one puts Charles Bambino instead of Gambino, you know.
What
I get burn out.
So this is the lamb chops.
Burning me down.
At the medium.
Social media is a
Done
wicked place.
medium. I'm still waiting on the pasta.
Is it different places?
And that's the truffle pasta here. Came as the side to the lamb chops.
I was like, what? Yesterday, I didn't even know. Was he a Rican name?
Michael.
I didn't know that our Rican name is
6. We doors open at 7.
So you're gonna sleep for about an hour tonight?
You're looking at December as a pull up?
No.
How long are you allowed to? How long are you allowed to stay?